Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be creating this look for you guys. This is a fall inspired look. This is like a burnt orange type vibe. If you guys want to learn how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so we're going to start by priming our lid. And I do have tape. I have already applied some tape to both sides of my eyes so that I have that clean, crisp line. Alright, so our first transition color, I'm going to be using this orange here. Just grabbing a fluffy brush, I'm going to put that right on my crease. Next, we're going to go in with this bright orange and we're going to apply that right on top of this other orange that we applied. And this is just going to brighten it up and make it look a little bit more orange. Don't worry about getting messy because we do have that tape, so we'll be able to clean it up after. Alright, and then from the same palette, I'm going to be using this brown here. And I'm going to be applying that just to the outer corner of my eye, just to get a little bit more depth. We're going to basically do the same thing that we did with the other shade. So we're going to focus it on the outer corner of our eye, bring it down to your lid, and then about halfway, and then just go up to your crease and blend it just about halfway across your eye. Alright, so now that we've done that, we're going to go back in with this orange that we used first. We're going to dip into this first orange and then the second orange that we used. And we're going to apply that right on top again just to bring that orange color back. I'm going to be using this shimmery orange shade here, and I'm going to actually be applying that with my finger. It has a little bit of a shimmer to it. You guys can see, and we're going to go ahead and just apply that with our finger, and we're going to apply it We're going to start off with the inner corner of our eye and then move it again halfway across our eye. I'm going to grab a blending brush and I'm going to mesh these two together. Right there in that center where they meet, just so that we don't have any harsh lines. The next shade that I'm going to be using is this gold shimmer here, and I'm going to apply that to the inner corner of my eye. Alright guys, so I already did my eyebrows and applied my lashes off camera. Next we're going to move on to our face. I'm going to go in with the Benefit Professional Primer. And I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my T-zone. And then whatever's left on my hands, I'm just going to go ahead and rub it on the rest of my face. Alright, ready for Halloween. Next, we're going to go ahead and apply our foundation. I'm going to go on with this CoverGirl foundation again. I'm just going to do about 3-4 pumps on my hand, and then I'm going to be using this angled brush from Real Techniques. Alright, so next we're going to be doing all our cream and liquid stuff. So we're going to be doing our concealer, our contour, and our highlight. So first let's start off with our concealer. Applying this cream contour by Wet n Wild. Alright, next we're going to go ahead and set our whole face, and I'm going to be using this CoverGirl, what is it, CoverGirl Clean Professional Loose Powder, and again going in with my sponge. Go ahead and be doing blush, but I'm definitely going to be adding a little bit more color to my cheeks. I'm using this NYX blush in the color Terracotta, and I'm just going to be applying that with just a dual fiber brush. I'm just going to be applying that to my cheeks. It has a little bit of a shimmer, but it's not crazy. And then next we're going to be applying our highlighter. Again, I'm going in with, you already know, the Fenty highlighter, and I'm just going to be using this side over here, which is Hustle Baby. Alright, so next we're going to start doing our under eyes. I'm going to be going back in with this burnt orange brown first, and I'm going to start applying that underneath. Next, I'm going to be cleaning my waterline. I am going to be adding my favorite liner from Inglot. This is going to open up our eyes. I'm gonna be going in with this really dark brown lipstick, liquid lipstick. You don't have to use this. You could definitely use a nude shade. I just wanted to do something bold, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply this really dark lip. I'm gonna be going in with this NYX lip liner pencil in the color brown. Sorry, I have moguls. Let me grab my little mirror so that I'm not like all over here on this side. This liquid lipstick is from ColourPop, and I believe the color is called Limbo. So we're gonna go ahead and set our face. This is the Hard Candy Matte Sheer Envy Mattifying Setting Spray. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that you guys found it helpful. I didn't really have any helpful tips, but I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video.